Working instruction for the assessment of dust on steel surfaces prepared for painting. The objective: to be familiarized on the method of pressure-sensitive tape as a method for assessment of the quantity and the particle size of dust on steel surfaces prepared for painting. Apparatus and materials. Adhesive tape, consisting of rolls of virtually colorless, transparent, self-adhesive, pressure-sensitive tape. Display board, of color contrasting to the dust, for use as a background. Hand lens, capable of magnification. Test surface. Procedure. At the beginning of each series of tests, remove and discard the first 3 turns of tape from the roll. Then remove a piece about 200 millimeters long. Touching the adhesive side of the tape only at the ends, press about 150 mm of the freshly exposed tape firmly onto the surface under test. Place the thumb across one end of the tape and move the thumb while maintaining firm pressure at a constant speed along the tape 3 times in each direction, so that each stroke takes between 5 and 6 seconds. Remove the tape from the test surface. Place it on an appropriate display board and cause it to adhere to the board by rubbing with the thumb. Assess the quantity of dust on the tape by comparing visually on area of the tape with equivalent size areas of the pictorial reference. Record the rating corresponding to the reference that is the closest match. Assess the predominating dust particle size on the adhesive tape by the reference table, which defines 6 dust particle size classes, designated 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After completing the test and before painting the steel surface, remove any tape or adhesive left on the surface. Make a test report containing dust quantity ratings and dice classes for each surface examined, and properly identifying the necessary details to the tested surface, including if the test has passed or failed. As referred to the agreed contract specification, which is under IMO PSPC rule. IMO PSPC rule for dust test for water ballast tank and COT. Passing result, dust quantity rating 1 for dust size classes 3, 4, or 5. Lower dust size class to be removed if visible on the surface to be coated without magnification.